Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahdah. 7th September 1974. This is a golden chapter of our country, and it is a memorable day for our country. People who are Muslims, not only in our Pakistan, but all over the world, they are devoted to the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. They consider it their happiness to lay down their lives and property for the honor of the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. This is an unforgettable day for them. That the day came when, after decades of hard work, many precious lives, and constant hard work and struggle, Pakistan's National Assembly has declared the Qadianis a non-Muslim minority, denying the prophethood of the last prophet. It is a memorable day for us, a beautiful day, and an unforgettable day. On this day, those who rob the Prophet of his prophethood have been declared a non-Muslim minority forever. On this day, a law and a constitution have been made. Now, in the light of this constitution of Pakistan, a person who considers Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani a prophet has no right to call himself a Muslim. Name your place of worship a mosque? No. Don't deceive anyone by reading La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. No. Write this word La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah on your place of worship. No. And preach your false religion. No. This is not permissible for any Qadiani, where we have to celebrate the end of prophethood on 7th September. We have to make a firm commitment to that we will always be on guard over the end of the Prophet's prophethood. We will guard the honor of the Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will protect the blessings of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. And we expect the rulers of our country, if by mistake and unintentionally, if a Qadiani has been promoted to a key position, remove them immediately. And this is not the demand of me or our party or our institution or the Muslims living in Pakistan. In fact, every Muslim around the world has this demand, desire and faith that in any Islamic country in the world, no Qadiani should be appointed to any key position. On the contrary, we say that a key position should not be held even in a common position, because these Qadianis, while denying the prophethood of the Prophet, are also denying the Constitution of Pakistan. They are traitors to the Constitution of Pakistan and are not ready to recognize the Constitution of Pakistan. When the Constitution of Pakistan has called them non-Muslims, now calling themselves Muslims, is an insult to the Constitution of Pakistan. The Constitution is a betrayal of Pakistan. So it turned out that only the person has the right to hold any position in this country. Whoever is loyal to the Constitution of Pakistan recognizes the Constitution of Pakistan. May Allah Almighty grant us all the ability to guard the end of the Prophet's prophethood. Make us true slaves of the last messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make us true devotees. Allah Almighty sacrificed our lives and property and everything for the honor of the last messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this will be a great favor of Allah Almighty on us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept us all for this. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.